We're going to be trading on crash 500 index market, and I'm going to share with you guys how to make profit with this type of market. All right, so if you are trading this type of market, or if you are trading any type of market at all, you want to make sure that you have a strong internet connection, because this can make the trade to lag if you have a slow connection. All right, you might think that you have entered into a trade not knowing that your internet connection is slow, and that can make you end up losing that entry you just made. Right, so before you place any trade, make sure that you have a strong internet connection, so that you don't end up with a losing trade for that day. All right, now we're on the crash 500 index market right now, and these are the principles you need to follow when you're trading this type of market. You need to follow certain principles, whereby going to the hourly time frame, confirm your entries, then do proper analysis on your trade before start analyzing your trade and putting those entry positions, and look for a possible buy or a possible sell entry position. All right, so right now we're on the crash 500 market, and this is the 1 minute time frame. Then first of all, what I'm going to do right now, I want you to pay a very close attention so that you'll be able to trade this market successfully. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is to first of all scale the trade. I'm going to level this trade right now. I'm going to draw this arrow line right here, and see how far this market has sold. All right, now I've seen that this is the last zone level, and the market has sold for a very long period of time. If you take a look at this point right here, the market bought from here to up to this trend right here, then it sold again. So we're seeing a possible buy entry. That's why you see that the market started to buy. So we're seeing a very bullish long pattern trend line at that very point. But this is the 1 minute time frame. But before we confirm anything, we need to go over to the 1 hour time frame to confirm the possible entry position. So we'll go over to the 1 hour time frame right here. All right, so the 1 hour time frame is showing us that this market has bought for a very long period of time. All right, you can see that this market have been buying for a very long period of time. So the next step right here is for the market to sell again. All right, but if you zoom in a little bit, you can see that this market have sold for a very long period of time. So the time that it took for the market to buy, it took previous days. You can see at this point right here says September 7. So from September 7 up to September 20, the market have been in a buying pattern, going upwards in a bullish pattern. Right, so right here now at this point is the overbought, and if we zoom in a little bit, you will see that the market have sold for a very long period of time. So it took many hours for this market to drop down up to this point, and now it has started buying again at this very point. Okay, so the market has started buying right now. So what we do right now is to go to the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute time frame is showing that this market is buying, as well as the 1 hour time frame. But this market would sell. All right, that when you're trading this crash market, you don't normally trade the market then hold it for a long period of time. You mostly scout the market. So once this market, now you can see this market have bought. Remember that it took many hours, probably let's say it took about 4 hours before this market bought up to this point. So right now this market is going to retest a little bit. All right, it's going to retest. Remember, this is the 1 hour time frame, so the market is a sell market, so it's going to sell right here. So what we're doing right here is look for a possible sell entry position at this very point here. So this market is a sell market. You can see this market will sell for the 1 minute time frame. All right, so when you're trading this type of market and you are in a position like this, you don't want to place a buy, because this market has bought for a certain amount of time. So you don't want to look for a buy, you want to look for a sell entry. You can see this market, there's higher volatility. The market have been dropping consistently, and it will drop again. The 1 hour time frame already confirmed it is at the overbought. So the 1 minute time frame will follow the 1 hour time frame. All right, if we want to check the 5 minute time frame right here, You can see it's the same thing. Then let's check the 15-minute time frame. You can see the same thing market will sell. The 30-minute time frame right here, the market would sell, because you can see the market would sell on the 30-minute time frame. Market have bought for a certain period of time, it will sell. Remember that it sold, then it bought, then it will sell again. Perfect, guys. Perfect. This is perfect. You just witness it. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame, guys. Take a look. Like I said, very perfect. I told you that this market would sell. So if you're in a position like this, you want to look for a possible sell entry. So I know most of you guys, mostly beginner traders who haven't seen my channel before, and most traders who doesn't know, who have not been following my strategy before, may say that this guy he doesn't trade well. But you just confirm what I said to you guys now with a simple proper analysis. You see for yourself. This is life, guys. Life. I just told you guys that this market will sell, and it's not a good entry point for you to place a buy entry, and this market just sold right now. So at this point right here, this market sold. We're not going to place a buy. It's not a good entry point for you to place a buy as well. You want to look for another possible sell entry because at a time like this, the market tends to buy probably after 2 to 3 candlesticks, then it will sell again. So we have seen this type of strategy that the market follows often. You can see, so it's not a good entry point. So we'll put in some few indicators just to confirm this. We'll put the RSI indicator right here, relative stretch index on period 14, apply to close, level 90 and the level of 10, all time frame with 1 style pixels. Then you click on done. All right, then you put the moving average on indicator window 1. Now someone asks, what's the main purpose of the moving average? The moving average is for you to see the trend of the market, if the market is going upwards or if it's going downwards. So let's say you're in the market right now and you put in the moving average indicator. So this indicator will first give you a glance, a glance signal, okay, a little bit signal of the market direction. For example, now look at the parameters right here. Now period 40, shift 0, method exponential, 2 pixels with color purple with this first line here, then done. All right, sorry, we have to put this on main window, not indicator window 1, the main window. So this main window, now you can see this market here is showing us that this line is going upwards, an upward trend line on the 1 minute time frame. So because it's the 1 minute time frame, the market should it should go upwards. But if we go to the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame is showing us that there's a direction. Look at it. Let's see this point here. The market is following this direction right now, like this. We'll go like this, then going downwards just like that, because the market have bought for a long period of time. So it's necessary for the market to sell as well for another period of time as well. Okay, now I'm going to put on the MACD indicator on indicator window 1. Put the MACD fast EMA 14, slow EMA 24, MACD SMA 10. We apply to close. The main, you put that on 4 pixels with the color black, signals on red, 4 pixels first line pattern here, just like that. Now take a look at this point. Remember that I told you guys that this MACD indicator is a very powerful indicator. You can see that immediately at this point here, price gets to the level of 90, the market sold immediately. And you can see right here, guys, this is perfect. Take a look. This is not a play talk. This is perfect and it's action. Remember I said, if you listen carefully, I told you guys that the market will buy probably after 3 to 4 candlesticks or even 2 candlesticks, then we'll see another sell. And this is it again. Look at it. This first sell signal. Look at the line that I drew from this point, and I marked here, and look at it. The market even sold beyond the level that I put. So you can see that this is not some baby, pattern. This is not a baby strategy. This is perfect, analysis that I'm sharing with you guys. So if you pay, close attention to this, you'll be able to understand what I'm sharing with you. Okay, so that you don't blow up your account or you don't end up in a losing trade. When you're trading, this type of market, you tend to put all your focus, in the trade. Okay, you put all your focus in this trading so that you can understand. And remember that you need to be trading this type of market every time, every day, practicing. If you don't have, you don't have a capital for you to trade, you can use your demo accounts to be practicing steady every day, and you will be so familiar. All right, and when you're so familiar on this type of market, you tend to know the next direction of the market. This is one of the most easiest market to trade, which is the crash market. Okay, so you need to know everything, and you need to also understand this point right here where it says on average one drop occurs in price series every 500 ticks. All right, now this one I wanted to show you for the MACD. I said when price gets to here, level of 90, the market retested immediately for a sell, and the first downtrend of the MACD, there was a spike. If you take a look at this point right here, look at the first trend line of the MACD, there was a spike. When it got to here, level of 10, the spike came through. The first downtrend of the MACD, there was a spike. So you need to pinpoint all these things that I'm sharing with you. All right, guys, so I believe after watching this video, you understand how to use the moving average to tend to see, where price is going. Remember, the moving average will show you the flow of the market and the price. Then the MACD is a powerful indicator that can help you predict, a future, spike, which is a drop in price movement. All right, so if you found value in this video, do it to like and subscribe to the channel, The Daily Forex, and also join our Telegram community, The Daily Forex, as well. I'll see you guys on the next video.